Today we are going to see absolute position property in CSS. So first of all, in head section we are going to give style tag, and within this style tag we'll set height of our document's body height 200%. And here I'm creating one class. Name of that class is container, and width I'm giving as 500 pixel. Similarly, height of this container is 500 pixel, and I'm giving background color, border to it. Border 1 pixel, solid black. Another class I'm creating. Name of that class is box1. Width I'm giving as 200 pixel. Height is also 200 pixel. Background color I'm giving is green. Opacity to this background color 0.4. And one more class we'll be creating, and name is box2. Width is here is 300 pixel. Height is also 300 pixel. Background color we are changing from green to yellow, and here we are removing opacity. In body section, div class equals to, we are giving container, and within this container class we'll be putting box1 and box2 classes. Div class equals to box1, and div class equals to box2. First of all, we'll save it and see how it's looking in our browser. So this is our container class. Its background color is white. This is box1, which is green in color with opacity 0.4, and this is box2. Now we are going for absolute position property. So element with absolute position property will be positioned relative to its nearest position ancestor. That means this is the parent of box1 and box2. So these boxes will remain in this container only when we apply absolute position property on green box and yellow box. They will remain in this container only, and they will never go outside this container. Whatever calculation it will do depending on its left, right, top and bottom position will be from the edge of the container. So here to this container I'm giving relative position property. Position of this container is relative, and here I'm giving position to box 1 as absolute, and what I want is that from left side it should shift by 20 pixel, and to box 2 also I'm giving position absolute, and I want that from left side it should move 30 pixel. Save it and go live. So we can see that it has moved 20 pixel from left side and it has moved mm, 30 pixel from left side. If we change it like box 1, from top side I want it to be 50 pixel, and this is from bottom. From bottom side I want it to be 40 pixel. So we can see that these boxes are moving in this container box only. They are not moving outside. They are considering this edge as their point from where they have to move. So here it has moved 30 pixel from left side, and it has moved 20 pixel from left side, and this box has, green box has moved 50 pixel from top, and bottom box has moved 40 pixel from bottom. Here we are going to change the opacity of from 0.4 to 0.2, and to box 1 we want that we are changing this. From right side we want it to be 0 pixel, and from bottom also we want it to be 0 pixel. Similarly to box 2, we want that from right side it should move 60 pixel, and from bottom is 40 pixel. So we can see that it has moved 60 pixel and 40 pixel, and it has moved 0 0, means right side is also 0 and bottom is also 0. So we can see that here an absolute position property, these two boxes whose parent is this white box, these two boxes are moving relative to this white box. They will never go outside this box, because this box is, the container box is the parent of yellow and green box. So this was our absolute position property in CSS.